Imagine this, a world overrun by the undead, where every sound could attract a horde of zombies. In moments like these, survival hinges on having the right tools at your side. I will show you how to transform a standard knife into a Rambo knife. Let's talk about the science behind a possible zombie apocalypse. It might sound like something from a movie, but there are real scientific ideas about how this could happen. Let's talk about the science behind a possible zombie apocalypse. It might sound like something from a movie, but there are real scientific ideas about how this could happen. What do we mean by zombies? In most stories, zombies are dead people who come back to life and want to eat human flesh. But could something like this really occur in real life? One idea is that a type of protein called prion could cause zombie like behavior. Imagine a virus that spreads quickly, infecting people through bites or contact. This could create a situation similar to what we see in the movies. Researchers at Carleton University and the University of Ottawa studies this idea. They found that if slow-moving zombies appeared, we would need to act fast to stop them. They conclude that taking strong action would be the best way to control such outbreaks. This means that if we ever faced a zombie outbreak, we would need to fight back quickly. The study suggested that without quick action, humans could be in serious danger from the growing number of infected people. There are also real diseases that can cause zombie-like symptoms. For example, Kuru is a disease caused by eating infected human brains. It leads to problems with movement and can change how people behave. While it is not exactly like movie zombies, it shows how some infections can change behavior. A group of students from the University of Leicester used math models to predict how a zombie infection might spread. They found that after 100 days of an outbreak, only 273 humans might still be alive compared to millions of zombies. This gives us an idea of how tough survival would be in such a situation. What would you do in a real life zombie apocalypse? Would you gather supplies and find shelter in a big city? Or would you head for the countryside? It's interesting to think about how we might react if faced with such an unusual situation. While the chances of an actual zombie apocalypse are low, it's always smart to be ready for a disaster, real or imagined. There you have it, Our very own Rambo knife, ready for whatever adventure or zombie apocalypse comes our way. This, this knife not only looks great, but is also practical for survival situations. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more fun and informative content like this. Thanks for watching.